Carnival Cruise Lines has dropped a huge update of information on us today, and we're going to get into it right after this. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, so like I said, Carnival Cruise Lines has dropped a whole lot of information on us. We have new dates for ships that are going to sail. We have some cancellations, and we have some protocol updates, so let's get right on into it. So Carnival Cruise Lines is going to add 3 additional ships to September sailings and 4 additional ships to October sailings, bringing the total up to 15 ships. Now, based on the success of the cruise restart and of the guest response to the health and safety protocols, Carnival has decided to keep all of their cruises vaccinated at least through October. So the 3 additional ships that will be sailing in September, we have the Carnival Glory sailing from New Orleans starting on September the 5th. We have the Carnival Pride sailing from Baltimore starting on September the 12th. And we have the Carnival Dream sailing from Galveston on September the 19th. For October, we have the Carnival Conquest sailing from Miami starting on October the 8th. We have the Carnival Freedom sailing from Miami starting on October the 9th. We have the Carnival Elation starting from Port Canaveral starting on October the 11th. And the Carnival Sensation sailing out of Mobile, Alabama, starting on October the 21st. Now, with these new sail dates announced, there have been some additional pauses or cancellations to some of these cruise ships. Any sailings on the Carnival Pride have been canceled through September the 5th. The Carnival Dream has been canceled through September the 11th. The Carnival Conquest has been canceled through October the 4th. And the Carnival Sensation has been canceled through October the 16th. Now, the Carnival Sunshine sailing from Charleston, the Carnival Ecstasy sailing from Jacksonville, and the Carnival Liberty sailing from Port Canaveral have all been canceled through October the 31st. A 3-day cruise aboard the Carnival Miracle sailing from Long Beach, California on September 24th has been canceled as well. And now the Carnival Miracle will resume sailing from Long Beach on September the 27th. Now, like I said, Carnival is going to do vaccinated cruises, and that is 95% of the passengers must be vaccinated. But Carnival will be accepting a limited number of unvaccinated passengers based on the number of vaccinated passengers. So they must maintain that 95%. So just for very plain and simple math, if 1,000 guests are going to be sailing on a cruise ship, 950 of them would be vaccinated and 50 of them could be unvaccinated. As I said, that is just a quick example of just some very easy numbers and math to explain what Carnival means. Now, Carnival has done some updates to its protocols through October as well, particularly when it comes to unvaccinated guests. So unvaccinated guests, including children under the age of 12, will be required to have pre-cruise and pre-embarkation COVID-19 tests done. Disembarkation testing will be required on cruises that are longer than 4 days. And there will be a $150 charge per person to cover testing, reporting, and health and safety screenings. Supervised youth programs, the kids clubs on board the ships, are going to be limited to vaccinated children ages 12 and older only through October. And finally, unvaccinated guests departing from any port in Florida starting on July 31st and from Texas starting on August 2nd will require proof of travel insurance in order to board the ship. Now, like I said, these additional measures will be in place at least until October, but Carnival does say they can extend these even further. To be 100% honest with you, I will be surprised if these don't go at least for the remainder of 2021, definitely possibly into 2022. But for now, Carnival just says at least through October. So guests that have already booked their cruises and travel agents are being advised by Carnival Cruise Lines how to confirm your vaccination status, or how to apply for an exemption if you are unvaccinated. All right, in a statement from Christine Duffy, President and CEO of Carnival Cruise Line, she said, "The decision to sail with vaccinated voyages was a difficult one to make, and we recognize this is disappointing to some of our guests, especially the many families with children under the age of 12 who we love to sail, and who love to sail with us," said Duffy. "It is important to remember that this is a temporary measure given the current circumstances. In consultation with our medical experts and advisors, we've determined this plan is in the best interest of the health and safety of our guests, crew, and the destinations that we bring our ships to. It is very important that we continue to maintain the confidence of our destination partners so that we can provide our guests with the optimal cruise experience and sail our itineraries. Our plan envisions successfully bringing back our entire fleet by the end of the year, returning to full service, most especially for the millions of families who sail with us, and building back our business for the benefit of our guests, employees, and the tens and thousands of jobs and local businesses that depend on our company. We will continue to offer exemptions to our unvaccinated guests on a limited capacity managed basis within 14 days of sailing as we finalize the vaccinated guest count. The more bookings we initially secure for our cruises with fully vaccinated guests, the more exemptions we can ultimately offer for those unvaccinated guests already booked and those wishing to sail." All right, and that is from President and CEO of Carnival Cruise Lines, Christine Duffy. Now, any guests who do not want to wait to find out if they're going to get the exemption or simply cannot meet the vaccination requirements, you do have the option to either reschedule your cruise to a later time or request a full refund. And that is the current updates for Carnival Cruise Lines. They do have a full listing of each and every protocol available on Carnival's website if you want to go over there and take a look at that as well. But let me know in the comments below, what do y'all think about these updates? Are you in favor of Carnival continuing with vaccinated cruises? Or do you think they should go more of a Royal Caribbean style and mix it both vaccinated and unvaccinated? Let me know what y'all think below. All right, I hope you have enjoyed this update. If you have, do me a favor. Let's give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.